Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess. I'm kicking off a vlog. I just woke up. Today's Sunday, June 6th, and it's very hot out today, like 90 and sunny. Have a nice little Sunday morning, make a smoothie bowl, then go to New York. We want to go to like the Yonkers area because we haven't been there. So we're going to check that out and just go from there, see where the day takes us. How's your smoothie bowl?
Amazing.
It looks so good. This is a pretty good mascara. I got this as free birthday gift from Blue Mercury. Loon and Aster brand. Just got to the park and gardens in Yonkers. It's in like northwest Yonkers area. I might pronounce this wrong. Untermyer Park and Gardens. 40 plus acres of gardens. It's on the Hudson River. It looks really pretty. We just parked and there's a parking lot here. It's free. So we're gonna check it out and yeah, I think it's gonna be really cool. This looks really cool. Got some mushrooms here. This is a massive tree. There's a little fish in here. This place is huge. It says it's 40 plus acres, but we just walked into the main entrance here and there's a really nice like stream of water going through the middle and all these trees. It really is a beautiful garden. Definitely good for pictures and just a picnic, spending the day. I'm excited to explore here and I'm always looking for something new in the New Jersey, New York area. I feel like this was a good find. He's trying to stay in shade because it's like 90 out. place is very cool. He was just reading a little bit about it, but how old is this like infrastructure? Did it say in that pamphlet?
It said that it was commissioned to be designed in 1916.
Okay. It looks pretty old, but it's giving me European vibes. It alludes to gardens in Persia, India, Pakistan, Spain, and Italy. And I was gonna say I definitely get a lot of European vibes here with all of the columns and the way this is structured and built. And this is just a very cool spot. So if you're in NYC, New Jersey, Connecticut, this isn't too far of a drive. It didn't even take us that long to get here. Great for a little afternoon. So this is the Temple of the Sky. It's under construction, so we can't get directly into it, but it's really cool. And then in the distance we have the Hudson River. Oh, this is a beautiful walkway. I wonder how close we can get to the water.
Tallest monolithic columns in the Western Hemisphere.
Wow. What is this?
Rhododendron walk.
Okay, and this is going to the ruined gardens?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a grotto. It's like significantly cooler in the grotto. Feels so good. It's cooling off in there. So this is the gatehouse and it has these really cool statues outside of it. These statues are symbols of the UK, according to that sign there.
From the bottom of the vista leads gradually uphill, crossing the carriage trail toward a spectacular rock valley, the Temple of Love.
He's providing all the information from the pamphlet. What we're coming up to now is the Rocking Stream Garden, and then on top of it is the Temple of Love. This is beautiful. The garden was so beautiful. We just left there. We're in the Bronx now. It was a pretty quick drive, like 15-minute drive from the garden. And we're gonna get Mexican food at Cocina, Chente, and it looks really good. Finished our dinner. It was very good. The food was amazing. So we're gonna head back to Jersey now. We're gonna get ice cream and then just probably chill for the night. So it's been a really good day out here in New York, and I'm happy we're seeing like new parts of it that we haven't seen yet.